Incoming.
Moving right.
Oh shit. Hey, watch out. Okay, watch your right side. I've had 5 people at least come up by that pine tree. Bend right side! Getting busy. Hit! We got a friendly on our 1 o'clock. Holy shit, that's a hit!
Wait.
You're defending?
Yeah.
And that was Ben, you just killed 2 friendlies.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go to town hall. Hit! That's game?
Good game.
Yeah, good game, man. How's that?
Oh, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Oh, so much fun.
I was the one that got you in the ear.
Oh, that's okay. Out there. Makes you feel alive, man. That's why I come do this.
You guys cover in 3, 2, 1, go! Got one. Go. Hit. Hit. Oh, Trey. Did we capture that? Hit! Loading.
He's inside. You got a knife?
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
Cover down.
Yeah, there is. One. Oh, that's it.
Oh,
That's it.
get him! Get him! Game over! Stay down.
Left side, you still showing.
Yeah. Get to cover. So there's, I think, one guy down and on the left. Can't see him.
Okay.
Oh, Sean's back in. One on the right! Hit!
9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
Back in! On the, like, 1, 2 o'clock, going down the hill.
Oh.
Moving on our 12. There you go. It's sprinting left. On the left. One's behind the road on the left. Hit. Okay, cover me, Chuck. Cover. Hit! Back in. Yeah. Right side cube.
Hit!
1,000, 2, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10.
Oh no. I'm out. Go, Nathan.
Go, go, go.
Oh no.
Here.
He's dragging.
Here, take my gun, take my gun.
You got it.
Ah.
Oh, this is right.
There you go, Fred. Hey, puppy. Game over!